20 machines that pay themselves back in less than 1 month. Can you imagine buying a machine and having it pay for itself in less than 30 days? It doesn't have to be a crazy dream. It's a real possibility if you know where to look. In the next few minutes, we're going to show you 20 business opportunities with machines that could turn a small investment into an almost immediate source of income. Stay until the end, because machine number 7 is so brutally simple that you'll wonder why you didn't start yesterday, and number 15, with the right strategy, can generate profits from day 1. This isn't magic, it's math. Let's go. Welcome to our channel. This is the place where we look for ideas to help you reach financial freedom. Today's promise is bold, we know. Recovering an investment in less than a month sounds too good to be true. And let's be honest, most of the time the return on investment takes much longer. However, we've done deep research and identified 20 machines and business models where, under an almost perfect scenario, the ideal location, strong marketing and clear demand, this ultra-fast payback is at least mathematically possible. This video is a roadmap. We're not here to sell you smoke. We're going to give you numbers, strategies and realistic scenarios showing how you could hit that 30-day target. We'll explain the opportunity, the approximate investment, and most importantly, the attack plan so the machine pays for itself. But before we start, I want you to do something. Commit to your future. Go to the comments and write, "I'm going for my business." It's not just a phrase, it's a statement. It's putting your energy into the success you deserve. Ready? Let's begin. Machine number 20, vacuum sealing machine. We'll start with one of the most affordable machines with incredible potential, the vacuum sealer. You might think it's just another kitchen gadget, but it can actually be the base of a small B2B micro business with a very low barrier to entry. The opportunity comes from this era of optimizing everything. Small restaurants, butcher shops, or food delivery services all need to preserve food properly. Offering a sealing service per piece or batch helps them extend the shelf life of their products and present their food more professionally. This idea really shines on the investment side. A commercial vacuum sealer costs between €300 and €1,000, and the bags cost just cents. To get a fast return, imagine a €500 investment. Charging €8 per sealing, with a bag cost of €10, your profit is €7. You'd need 715 seals to recover your investment, which is perfectly doable if you partner with 2 medium-sized restaurants and do 30 to 40 seals per day. At that pace, you recover your money in less than 24 days. Machine number 19, pressure washer. Next, a service that everyone can clearly see is needed. A pressure washer doesn't create anything new, but it restores the value and appearance of almost everything. The opportunity is huge because dirt is everywhere. Dirty facades, patios with mold, stained garages. It's a very visual before and after business that's easy to sell to homeowners and businesses. A professional pressure washer costs around €800 to €2,500, plus any local licenses you might need. To pay it off in a month, you charge per project. Cleaning the facade of a small house can bring in €250 to €400. If you invested €1,800, just 4 facade cleaning jobs at €400 each almost cover it. Getting 4 clients in a month is realistic if you use demonstrations as your hook. Offer a strong discount to your first client in exchange for recording the process to use in your ads. With 1 big job per week, the machine pays for itself. Machine number 18, toy and novelty vending machine. Now we enter the world of vending, but with a twist that targets a powerful impulse market, the please of kids. The opportunity lies in the excitement of not knowing what will come out of the machine, turning these capsule machines into magnets for children in family restaurants, malls, or waiting rooms. The investment is surprisingly low. New capsule vending machines go from €800 to €2,000, and toy stock is bought wholesale for just a few cents each. For a fast payback, buy a machine for €1,000 and place it in a busy restaurant. If each toy sells for €1 and costs you 15 cents, your profit is 85 cents per toy. To recover €1,000, you need to sell 1,177 toys. In a high-traffic location, selling 50 to 60 per day is possible, meaning you'd surpass your investment in less than a month. The hardest part is negotiating the location, usually offering a commission to the owner. Machine number 17, smart irrigation system, as a service. Here, you're not really selling the machine, you're selling the outcome, savings, convenience, and perfect lawns or crops. The opportunity is twofold. On one side, homeowners who are tired of watering by hand. On the other, the agricultural sector, where optimizing irrigation is crucial. Installing drip or smart sprinkler systems is a high-value service. Your machine is essentially your professional toolkit and your know-how, with an investment that can range from €500 to €2,000, buying materials per project. For a rapid return, installing an irrigation system in a typical garden can cost between €1,000 and €2,500. If you charge €1,500 for a job and materials cost you €600, your gross profit is €900 for 1 or 2 days of work. With just 2 such projects in a month, you recover a €1,500 investment and you're already making money. Machine number 16, 3D printer for prototypes and models. Now we get into the world of additive manufacturing, where a 3D printer becomes a mini desktop factory. The opportunity is in rapid prototyping for architects, engineers, designers, and inventors who need to physically test their ideas before spending thousands on molds. You offer fast, affordable 3D printing services. A good entry-level 3D printer can cost between 500 euros and 2,000 euros with relatively cheap plastic filament. The quick payback comes from how pricing works, by print time and material with massive margins. A medium-sized prototype that takes 10 hours and uses 5 euros of material can be billed at 80 to 120 euros. If you invest 1,200 euros in the printer and earn an average margin of 80 euros per job, you need 15 projects to get your money back, something feasible within a month if you advertise on freelance platforms and reach out to studios and universities. Machine number 15, laser cutting machine for customization. If the 3D printer creates, the laser cutter transforms. This business is built on people's desire for unique items. The opportunity is in personalization. A laser cutter can engrave precisely on wood, leather, glass, or metal to create corporate gifts, wedding decor, unique restaurant menus, and much more. Entry-level diode laser machines have dropped in price, now ranging from 600 euros to 2,000 euros. The fast payback comes from selling added value. A cutting board that costs 10 euros can be sold for 30 euros or 40 euros once it's engraved. If you invest 1,500 euros and specialize in weddings, selling sets of 100 engraved coasters for 150 euros with 50 euros in materials, your profit is 100 euros per set. With 15 weddings in a month, you recover your investment. The ideal scenario is setting up an online store and having a hero product that you push hard. Machine number 14, specialty coffee vending machine. We're back to vending, but this time in gourmet mode, with machines that grind beans on the spot and prepare high-quality drinks. The opportunity is to place these premium machines where good coffee is needed but there's no cafe nearby, offices, co-working spaces, hospitals, or universities. Coffee has always had amazing margins. These machines are a more serious investment, between 2,000 and 5,000 euros. The fast payback math looks great. A coffee you sell for €1.50 might have a total cost of 30 cents, leaving you €1.20 profit. With a 4,000 euro investment, you'd need to sell about 3,333 coffees. In an office with 400 employees, if just 30% buy one coffee per day, that's 120 sales per day. At that pace, you reach your target in around 28 days. Machine number 13, sock knitting machine. Yes, it sounds unusual, but socks have gone from boring clothing items to fashion accessories. The opportunity isn't competing with big brands, but attacking niches, branded socks for companies, sports events, or souvenir designs for gift shops. Plus, people usually buy socks in packs. A compact industrial sock knitting machine can be imported from China for 3,000 to 8,000 euros. For a rapid payback, remember these machines are production beasts. A basic model can make 300 to 400 pairs in 24 hours. With a 5,000 euro investment, if you land a contract to make 500 pairs for a company at 4 euros per pair with a cost of 50 cents, your gross profit is 1,750 euros. With just 3 contracts like that in a month, you've recovered your investment. Machine number 12, specialized food truck, e.g. gourmet tacos. The food truck concept isn't new, but the key for fast profitability is hyper-specialization. The opportunity is gourmet street food. A food truck gives you the flexibility to go to festivals, markets, and office districts. By specializing in something like gourmet tacos, you build a strong brand. The investment is one of the highest on this list. A second-hand, fully equipped food truck can cost between 8,000 euros and 25,000 euros. Recovering this in 30 days is a huge challenge, but possible in a massive event scenario. If you invest 20,000 euros and get a stand at a 3-day festival selling taco orders for 12 euros with a cost of 3 euros, you'd need to sell 2,222 orders to recover the investment. Selling 750 orders per day is feasible at a big event like that. Machine number 11, hot food vending machine. Imagine a machine that cooks food on the spot, pizzas, burgers, fries. It's the evolution of traditional vending. The opportunity lies in convenience. These machines are perfect in places where people are hungry, but there are few or no options during off hours, university campuses at night, industrial areas, etc. It's basically an automatic restaurant that never closes. The investment is higher due to the advanced technology, between 3,000 and 8,000 euros. A fast payback is possible thanks to higher tickets per sale. A pizza you sell for 8 euros might cost you 2.50 euros, leaving 5.50 euros profit. If you invest 7,000 euros in a pizza vending machine, you need to sell 1,273 pizzas. In a student residence, selling 50 pizzas a day is realistic, letting you recover the investment in about 25 days. We're halfway through the list, and it only gets better from here. If any of these ideas has already sparked something in you, if you're starting to see opportunities everywhere, do me a favor and hit the subscribe button right now. In the second half, we'll look at industrial and service machines with even bigger profit potential. You won't want to miss it. Hit subscribe and let's keep going. Machine number 10, refrigerant recovery machine. We now leave food behind and move into an essential industrial service. Air conditioning and refrigeration systems use gases that cannot be released into the atmosphere. The opportunity here is that auto shops, HVAC technicians and scrapyards are legally required to recover these gases. Many of them outsource this to a mobile service, and that could be you. A professional recovery machine costs between 1,500 euros and 4,000 euros, and you'll need a certification, which is a short but essential course. For a quick return, you charge per service. Recovering refrigerant from a car can cost the client 60 to 100 euros. With a 3,000 euro investment and an 80 euro fee per service, you need 38 jobs. If you contact 20 shops and each one calls you just twice a month, you've already passed your goal. Machine number 9, automatic fertilizer spreader as a service. We go back to the field, but with high-tech and precision agriculture. The opportunity is ideal for someone who doesn't own land, because farmers are always looking to increase yields and lower costs. Precision fertilizer spreaders are expensive, so you can buy one and offer your services to multiple farmers. A machine that attaches to a tractor can cost from 1,000 euros to 3,000 euros or more. For a quick payback, you charge per hectare at around 50 to 80 euros. With a 2,500 euro investment and a fee of 60 euros per hectare, you need to cover about 42 hectares. During planting season, if you partner with 3 or 4 farmers, you could cover that area in an intense week of work and recover your investment. The key is clearly demonstrating the savings to the farmer. Machine number 8, automatic packaging machine. Similar to the vacuum sealer but on a larger scale, this machine is for people who want to create their own product line or offer packaging services to other companies. The opportunity lies in the fact that thousands of products like coffee, nuts or spices need to be weighed and packaged accurately. You can launch your own brand or reach out to local producers who currently waste hours packaging by hand. Entry-level vertical packaging machines can be found for 1,000 to 3,000 euros on platforms like Alibaba. For a rapid payback, focus on the service model. If you invest 2,500 euros, you could offer to package coffee for a roastery, charging 25 cents per bag. The machine can process over 1,200 bags per hour, bringing in 300 euros revenue. You would need only 8 to 9 hours of machine time to recover your investment. Machine number 7, vending machine for basic electronics. We promised you an idea that would make you think, why didn't I think of that? And this is it. The opportunity is a pure urgency business. When your phone is at 1% battery in an airport, you don't care about paying 15 euros for a charger that costs 5 euros online. A vending machine filled with cables, adapters, earphones and power banks is a gold mine in the right location. Airports, stations, hotels. The investment can be a standard snack vending machine adapted for electronics, costing around 1,500 to 3,500 euros. The fast payback comes from spectacular margins. A cable you buy for 2 euros can be sold for 12 to 15 euros. With a 2,500 euro investment in a busy bus station, if you sell just 10 products per day with an average profit of 10 euros, that's 100 euros daily profit. In 25 days, the machine is fully paid off. Machine number 6, assisted harvesting equipment. This idea is perfect for rural areas with lots of fruit trees. We're not talking about super expensive robots, but tools that massively boost manual picking efficiency. The opportunity lies in the fact that harvesting olives or almonds is hard, costly work. The machines here are vibrating harvest combs or nut collecting vacuums. You buy a set and offer harvesting services with a crew. Investing in a set of 4 good quality vibrating combs can cost between 2,000 euros and 8,000 euros. You get a fast payback by charging per kilogram harvested. A vibrating comb lets you harvest 10 times more than hand picking. If you invest 4,000 euros in equipment and organize a crew of 4 people, you could generate around 600 euros in daily revenue. After paying wages, you might be left with 300 euros in gross profit per day. In a 14-day harvest campaign, you've recovered your investment. Machine number 5, hygiene and pharmacy product vending machine. This one is similar to the electronics vending machine, but focused on other urgent needs. Think of it as an automatic 24/7 pharmacy or toiletry kit. The opportunity appears when someone forgets their toothbrush at a hotel or needs a painkiller late at night. These machines offer essential products in nightclub bathrooms, gyms, hotels, or right outside pharmacies. A secure, robust vending machine can cost between 2,000 euros and 5,000 euros. Fast payback comes from extremely high margins. A blister pack of painkillers that cost 50 cents can be sold for 2 euros 50 cents. With a 3,000 euro investment in a 24-hour gym, an average profit of 1 euro 50 cents per product and daily sales of 70 items, you generate 105 euros in profit per day. In 29 days, the machine is paid off. Machine number 4, water treatment system, purification service. Clean water is liquid gold. The idea here is to offer purification systems as a service, not just as a product. The opportunity has 2 main niches: industrial agricultural, for farms or small factories, and residential, where instead of selling an osmosis system, you install it for free and charge a monthly service fee. A commercial grade system can cost between 1,500 euros and 4,000 euros. Realistically, with the residential monthly fee model, the payback period would be counted in years. To get anywhere near 30 days, you need to focus on industrial clients. For example, you could reach out to a small farm that needs a system that costs you 3,000 euros to install and offer the installation for 5,000 euros, earning 2,000 euros gross profit on a single project. However, landing that kind of contract typically doesn't happen in just 1 month. Machine number 3, small-scale plastic recycling machine. This is a purpose-driven business that taps into the mega trend of local recycling. The opportunity is to collect plastic waste, shred it, wash it, and turn it into pellets or flakes, which you then sell to manufacturers. The investment in a compact system, shredder, extruder, pelletizer, imported from abroad, can range from 2,000 euros to 6,000 euros. Your raw material is practically free if you make deals with schools or local businesses. The quick payback calculation goes like this. If you sell pellets at 50 cents per kilo and your investment is 5,000 euros, you need to sell 10,000 kilograms. If the machine processes 50 kilograms per hour, in 25 days of 8-hour shifts, you produce the 10,000 kilograms you need. One very important warning, this plan falls apart if you don't have a buyer. Before purchasing the equipment, you must have at least a pre-agreement with someone who will buy your product. Machine number 2, pizza food truck with wood-fired oven. Here we take the food truck idea to the next level. It's not just a pizza, it's an artisan pizza made in a real wood-fired oven on wheels. The opportunity is that the oven itself becomes your marketing. The smell and heat create a unique experience that lets you charge more and attract events, weddings, and fairs. The investment is substantial, since a truck or trailer with a professional oven can cost between 12,000 euros and 35,000 euros. Recovering this in 30 days depends entirely on massive events. A pizza you sell for 12 euros may cost you 2 euros, leaving 10 euros in profit. With a 25,000 euro investment, you need to sell 2,500 pizzas. If you get hired for a wedding and bill 6,000 euros in one night, 4 similar events in a month almost get you there. Machine number 1, snack and drink vending machine with digital strategy. And we've reached number 1, the humble vending machine. It's at the top because with the right strategy, it's still one of the most profitable, passive, and scalable businesses. The opportunity isn't in the machine itself, but in the smart placement, offices, gyms, factories, and digital management with telemetry, which tells you from your phone what's selling and when to restock. A refurbished machine with telemetry and card payment can cost between 1,000 euros and 4,000 euros. For a fast payback, imagine a 3,000 euro investment in an office building. If half of 200 employees buy something every day, you might generate about 75 euros in profit per day. Not quite enough. The trick to sprint to 30 days is multi-location. You start with 2 machines. The second one, placed in a gym, could generate 100 euros in daily profit. Together, they bring in 175 euros per day, almost recovering a 6,000 euro total investment in 30 days. The secret is building a small vending empire. And there you have them. 20 machines, 20 ideas, 20 possible paths toward your independence. As we said, the promise of recovering your investment in 1 month is a very ambitious target that requires almost laboratory-level conditions. The best possible location, strong demand, and flawless execution on your part. It's not easy, but as you've seen from the numbers, it is mathematically possible in an ideal scenario. The most important thing you're taking from this video isn't a specific machine, but a mindset. The mindset of seeing opportunities where others only see problems. The vacuum sealer solves food waste, the pressure washer solves dirt, the charger vending machine solves emergencies. Entrepreneurship isn't always about having an idea no one has ever thought of. Many times it's about taking a model that already works and doing it better, faster, or for a specific niche. Each machine is just a tool, but the real engine is you, your curiosity, your work, and your determination. I hope this video has given you the push you needed. Now the ball is in your court. Do your research, run your own numbers, and take the first step. I want to know which of these 20 ideas you like the most. Which is the machine you can actually see yourself running? Tell me in the comments. I read them all. And if you want more business ideas and strategies to build your freedom, subscribe and turn on notifications. We've got a lot more content coming for you. Thanks for watching. Now get out there and start building your empire. See you in the next video.